Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to download WhatsApp messages. First, just simply open your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. And from here, just simply tap or open the individual message. For example, this one. And here in your screen, you will see the three small dots here located at the upper right corner. Just simply click or tap this icon. And then here, choose more. And let's export chat. And from these options given, we will choose this Gmail. And from here in this field to just tap or press here or enter here your email address. Then after that, just click this send icon to send this exported chat. Then after that, you will receive a message. Then it's time for you to download your WhatsApp messages. Okay, that's it guys on how to download WhatsApp messages on your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.